everybody all right?
Jimmy, I got sand in a very uncomfortable place.
Carl, I want to talk to you about my deep concern for llamas. Did you know they're an endangered species?
No!
My first order of business will be llama protection. Do I have your vote?
You got it. Ow! The pin went inside me. What?
Hey, why are you wearing Libby and Sheen and Bowlby buttons? Who are you voting for?
I don't know! Sorry, ladies. I'm gonna have to search you.